This is the Magic Protector. It's new generation on 2014. Magic Protector is best choice for your iPhone screen protector. No technical lead, no tools requirement. We guarantee after installation is bubble free. No kill on the screen. Easy to find the right position and fix it. That's all. All the procedure is just in few seconds. The operation is safe. Screen protector. More color choice, more functional will be coming. This is a new generation for iPhone screen protector. Magic Protector is your best choice for the gift custom logo. OEM and ODM is welcome. This is a new generation for the iPhone screen protector. Magic Protector.